We have marketing departments weighing in, sales operations departments weighing in, IT departments weighing in, all in pursuit of this perfection of data that gets in the way of progress. So our most successful deployments are when we have customers bought into crawl, walk, run. So crawl. For the first time, when somebody comes in to map my customers, their reps are seeing their account and their territory visually for the first time. Instead of a list in the spreadsheet or their head sheet or on a notebook, a Google sheet, and they're all strategically segmented and they're color coded. So a rep gets to go, oh my word, there are my customers, my leads, my prospects, my tier A accounts. And so all they're doing is visually seeing it, effectively seeing, knowing who to see and when to see. And then there's only one other requirement for them for the first 2 weeks to the first month and a half. And it's to log an activity and a conversation after they meet with them. They can talk to text, they can type them out if they wish, but it's literally visually segmenting the accounts and logging activity, nothing else.